Yes, good evening, everyone. So, yesterday we started discussion about how to insert the data to the backend database and how to read the data display HTML file. This is the steps we have to follow. Inserted and reading the data. To read the data from the database, we have to use the command model name dot objects dot all. Then it is reading total data from the database and created one dictionary forwarded to HTML file. After that, questions I provided. Faker module is there. Faker is the class. How to generate the fake data, and I want to insert it. Now my requirement is I'm inserting some fake data to the model by using Faker module. Before that, a small program I will tell, that is I have to generate a phone number. Dummy number. Phone number means general ga 10 digits are there. Starting digit should be 6 or 7 or 8 or 9. Compulsory 10 digits are required. So how to generate this phone number by using our Python program? So how to generate a phone number? I have to generate one Python function. Okay, come to here. From the Python, there is one module is there. What is the module name? Random module. Import star. Andro, there are so many functions are there. Randint and random and multiple are there. Def is the keyword which is used to define one function. Phone number generator is my function. I have to take one digit. What is the function? Randint of 6 comma 9. What is the meaning? It is generated 6 to 9. One number will be generated there. So first digit came. Now I have to provided one more variable number equal to. What is the meaning of single quotes open close empty string plus str of d1. D1 type is integer type. I converted to string concatenated to where empty string I can provided. Print the number. The type of number. What is the type of number? Type string. I'm calling the function py test.py string because the first d1 type is integer converted to string added to this because of it is total string because next number I want to concatenate it, that's why converted. One number is ready, print the number. And the number we don't know. 6 can 7 can 8 can 8 can will be coming 6 6 7 9 6 6 7 8. One number is coming. Done. I think a phone number, how many numbers are required? 9 numbers are required. One is ready, sir. For I in range of 9. The loop is running 9 times. Okay. Now, what is the function? Random. Next number should be any number 0 to 9. Convert this total integer to string. Because one number generated for I in range of one, first number, second number, third, 9 times loop is running. Every time number generated converted to string. Add this one to where can I add number? Because of what is the number type? String type. One number generated integer number 0 to 9, 1 or 2 or 3 or 5 number converted to string concatenated. Ante second number generated. This loop running how many times? 9 times. Every time number added to this one. Now I want to come outside the loop, return that number. But it is string, how to convert into integer. Because of database, mobile numbers are integer types. That's why. Now save. Use this one into print. One mobile number will be generated. When the 10 numbers are generated, if I want to use for loop for I in range of 10, 10 dummy mobile numbers will be generated. అదిగోండి. This is how to generate the fake phone number by using random. Ikkada instead of this, can I use number plus equal to? Yes. Now also randomly numbers is generated. First 6, 7, 8, 9. తర్వాత number any number. This is the way of generating phone number. So by using that faker module, this one, I have to injected some dummy data to the database. Now. Uh, So now by using this yesterday faker model, this one now my concept is insert data into model class by using the faker module. How to generate data we know, but how to insert this data to the database table. If it is not empty string, how to add? I want to concatenate it to the variable. D1 is the integer. D1 converted to string. Plus symbol means compulsory both arguments should be strings. Then only possible to add Sayed. That's why I'm taken as a one empty string. Concatenated first digit to this number. After 9 numbers, one by one converted to string, added to number. So now, ఇప్పుడు project creation, all the things are common. Django hyphen admin, start project, model project 3, cd, py, start app, test app. So first one, project creation. Second one, app. Third one, add app to the settings. Cre- create one model class. Sir, up to now, పనిచేద్దాం. Every day we are using SQL 3 కదా. Now I'm using MySQL. I want to show. If you have, you can use MySQL. Otherwise, direct SQL 3 you can use, no problem. So MySQL is a physical database. Inside we have to create our logical database. That's why create your own database. Create a database in MySQL. Okay, for our bash queue, I have to create. So compulsory in your machine, MySQL should be available. So in my machine, MySQL is there. Username password is root. Show databases. There are so many are there. ఇప్పుడు మనం student DB 11 7:37 p.m. 7:37 p.m. Drop the database. Student DB gone. ఇంకేమన్నా ఇవి కూడా ఎందుకు వేస్ట్ కదా. 11 నెక్స్ట్ 7:30 ఎందుకు ఇవన్నీ వేస్ట్. 7:30 p.m. నెక్స్ట్ 7 p.m. నెక్స్ట్ సన్నీ డిబి సన్నీ జాబ్స్ గాను. సన్నీ జాబ్స్లో ఏముంది. ఇవన్నీ ఎప్పటి నుంచి క్రియేట్ చేసే బోల్డ్ వేస్ట్. సీడ్ డిబి సీడ్ 7:37 7:30 p.m. 7 p.m. 7 p.m. ఇంకా వామో సర్లే రేపు డిలీట్ చేద్దాం కానీ సరే. ప్రజెంట్ షో డేటాబేస్ ఇవన్నీ ఓకే. I have to created one new database for us, student database. How to create database? Create database student DB. Now show tables. ఇదిగోండి ఇది DB. Okay. Now observe carefully. I have to connect this student DB. I'm asking tables. Boss, can you show the any tables? Any tables are there? ఇప్పుడు by using Django application, I have to connect this and create the table. So first open Atom. Model project tree settings. First you have to add next ఇక్కడ you have to change database. Sir, మీ దానిలో if MySQL Oracle లేకపోతే you won't do anything. Direct write program execute. It is created in SQL 3. Now I am configuring with this one. My database name. What is the database name? Student DB. This details you have to update here. What is the database name? MySQL. Database name. Yeah. Student DB. What is the next argument? User. What is the user? Root. Next argument. What is the password? Root. Next argument. Host. Local host. Next port. Both are optional. అవసరం లేదు కాబట్టి MySQL connected. Student DB root. చూద్దాం. Save this. స్పెల్లింగ్ మిస్టేక్ చూడండి కనెక్ట్ అవ్వదు. Student DB. So now create database in MySQL. My database name is Student DB. Okay, now once the database connections provided, how to check the connections? And before writing program, you can check the connection. If it is okay, then only you can continue. Otherwise, no. What is the command? From I imported one connections. What it is? django.db dot import connections. Next, create object for that connection. గుర్తులేదా? అంటే డోంట్ రైట్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ బికాస్ ఇఫ్ కనెక్షన్స్ రాంగ్ అనుకో ప్రోగ్రామ్ వాస్ నో యూస్ కదా. ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుతుంది ఎవరైనా సరే. ఫస్ట్ చెక్ ద కనెక్షన్ అంతా బాగుంటే దెన్ వీ విల్ కంటిన్యూ, అదర్వైజ్ నో. డేటాబేస్ కన్ఫిగరేషన్స్ MySQL DB root we have to provided this one. So from django.db import connection dot not getting error, then only continue, otherwise don't write. First of all, I will also check అసలు అది వర్కౌట్ అవుతుందా లేదా. మోడల్ ప్రాజెక్ట్. How to go to shell py manage.py shell. It is open the shell. The command is from django.db import connection. తర్వాత what is the command? Seek any variable connection dot cursor. If you are not getting error, connections are done. Connections will be fine. Now you can write the program. So now check the database connections. Now to check the connection, go to shell. After that, this is the way of checking the connection. ఇప్పుడు ఇంకా you can create models. .py లో create one model class. Sir, come to here. Test app, models, class, student. Inside, what is the module name? Models. What is the class name? Model. Student have the roll number. Module name dot roll number means integer field. Second one name. Models dot character fields are inside compulsory can give maximum length dummy data కాబట్టి give more size. Okay. Date of birth equal to models dot what is the class? Date field. Marks models dot integer field. Email ID I can provide it. Models dot the class name is email field. Next phone number equal to models dot. There is one more column is there. Big integer field address models dot text field. ఇది class. Where we can get the notes of all classes which we completed till now. Google Classroom. Next explain with MongoDB. You didn't copy the statements how to connect the database in setting.py. Already those things I'm given. Already explained in our starting classes. Yeah. I'm pretty happy. No models. You can ask your admin. This batch admin is Satish. You can ask admin. Admin will give Google Classroom link. Sir, once model class is ready, I want to create the table. Then what is the command? Make migrations and migrate. Make migrations will converted model class to SQL query. That query, if I want to inject it to the database, then migrate is the command. So see this py manage.py make migrations. Done. Next to migrate. Now, along with our table, system related tables also created. Where this table is created? In the backend database MySQL. Previous go to MySQL. I'm asking show tables empty. It will be displayed. Now you can ask the show tables. The tables in student DB. What is the table name? Always app name underscore class name, model class name. Now you can describe and the fields, whatever fields are there, test app underscore student. ఇంకొన్ని fields అవి. ID generated by the Django, roll number integer, name varchar of 30, date of birth, marks, next email varchar of 256 తీసుకున్నబ్బో. Phone number big integer address long text. So automatically it will be considered by database fields. Any data is there. What is the command to read the data? Select SAR from what is the table name? Test app underscore student. Any data is there? No, nothing. Now manual gate you can register to admin panel, go to the admin interface, insert one by one. It will take so much process. Now I want to insert data by using the which module? Faker module. Then I'm asking select star from student. All some dummy data will be displayed. Okay. Now make migrations migrate. I want to see the table where you can register in admin.py. Go to the admin. Class. Any name. What is the class name? Student admin. So what is the model name? Admin. What is the class name? Model admin. What is the variable? This is the predefined variable list underscore display. Whatever columns you provided, that columns will be displayed. How many columns are there? Roll number, name, ఇంకా date of birth, marks, email ID, phone number, address. Now, admin dot site dot register. What can I register? Student, comma. Student is available where? From test app dot models. Import student. This is the way of admin.py file. So created model class, make migrations, migrate and register to admin panel. Create super user, log into that, check it. Table is available, but no data. So create super user. How to create super user? Py manage.py create super user. If I'm not proud anything, value. Mail ID abc at the rate something. Sir, whenever I'm entering password, it is not typing anything. It will be blank. Nothing will be move the cursor. Whatever you want, you can type the username password. It is created internally, no problem. Super user created successfully. Run the server. How to run? Manage.py, run server. Copy this address. Go to the browser. Go to the admin panel. Login. Table is ready. Any records are there? Nothing. I want to read the data display to the HTML file as we done process. So who is responsible to read view? So take one small view, views.py. Go to the views, go to the views, sir. Take function based view, def student underscore view. The first argument is request. How to get the student details? What is the command? Model name. What is the model name? Student dot. Object is the property. Function is all. But where is the student? From test app dot models. Import student. This is student list. You can send it to dictionary. Now, my dict equal to curling brace student list colon. What is the value? Student list. Return this dictionary. Render first argument request test app slash std dot. What is the dictionary name? Same yesterday code only. Nothing. Just I am reading the data from the table. Select star from student. Stored into variable. Created dictionary. I forwarded. What is the HTML file? std dot HTML file. In that HTML file, I want to display all the data. Present, there is no records. So it will display no records found. After that, I have to add the records. ఈ వ్యూకి ఒక URL మెన్షన్ చేయండి ఇన్ ద urls.pyలో ఫైనల్గా ఒక HTML పేజ్ అక్కడ డిస్ప్లే ద డీటెయిల్స్ ఎవ్రీవేర్ సేమ్ వ్యూ URL HTML పేజ్ Completed. Now go to URLs. Here give the URL. ఇక్కడ import statement required from test app import use ready. ఇప్పుడు నెక్స్ట్ HTML ఫైల్ కావాలి. ఓకే. Come to here model project. Right click. Two folders you can take. One is templates, sir. Second one static. Two are ready. Inside templates, one more folder that is test app. Inside test app, file std.html. Ready. Inside static, one folder CSS. Inside this folder, one file std.css. Ready. Django don't know about these things. Create two variables. One is template underscore dir. What is the base dir slash templates? Another variable static underscore dir equal to base dir slash static. This is a template dir you can provide it to. One more variable you have to create. Static files underscore dirs equal to done. Now come to HTML file. Take HTML tag. Just you have to title student data. Now body h1 tag student information done. Server already started. Copy the address. Come to here. Paste it. The URL pattern std. Student information came. Now read one by one values. As to what we are written here. Curly brace percentage. If what is the variable? Student list. Present any records are there? Nothing. So if statement is not executed. H2 curly brace. Oh, first to read the data. Percentage. For each student in where student underscore list. Then H2 student dot what is the variable? Name. The student information I want to display. Inside I have to take unordered list. Inside list of element. Student roll number. How to get that? Student dot roll number. All the details you can display. ఇంకేమున్నాయి? నేమ్ ఆల్రెడీ ఇక్కడ వచ్చింది కదా, నాట్ రిక్వైర్డ్. స్టూడెంట్ యొక్క డేట్ ఆఫ్ బర్త్, స్టూడెంట్ మార్క్స్, స్టూడెంట్ ఈమెయిల్ ఐడి, స్టూడెంట్ ఫోన్ నెంబర్, ఇంకోటి కావాలిగా స్టూడెంట్ అడ్రస్. సో హియర్ DOB, here marks, phone number, here address. ఇంకా ఉంది ఈమెయిల్, ఇంకా రోల్ నెంబర్, డేట్ ఆఫ్ బర్త్, మార్క్స్, ఈమెయిల్, ఫోన్ నెంబర్, అడ్రస్. ఓకే. ఆఫ్టర్ దిస్ every student break end for loop, end for. After that if statement is not working, then else block. Give one paragraph. Sorry boss, no records found in the database. Present in the database, there is no records, empty values are there. Program is ready. Then you have to refresh. రాయలేదా? No paragraph else. After that, yeah, not close the end div. End div. Come to here, refresh. No records found in the database because of records are not available. Now, దీనికి I want to go to here, CSS, background color, white, H1 ఉంది కదా, H1 tag, text alignment, center, H2 ఉందిగా, H2. I want to provided color. Now come to this. Come to starting here. Link. అయ్యో link. How to give the link ఇక్కడ remove this curling brace percentage static css std dot css starting what we have to give load static. Now come this refresh student information. No records found in that because records are not there. First one record I'm entering manually. You know this process, okay na? Roll number, name, Sunny, date of birth, 1st December, marks 11, mail ID sunny@gmail, phone number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 ఏదో నెంబరు, అడ్రస్ ముంబై. సరిపోయిందా? చాలే. సేవ్. ఐఎమ్ ఇన్సర్టెడ్ హియర్ మాన్యువల్లీ. ఈజ్ ఇట్ ఇన్సర్ట్ టు బ్యాక్ అండ్ డేటాబేస్ ఆర్ నో? డెఫినెట్లీ అదిగోండి. So I'm not using any SQL commands, anything. By using Django application, I inserted data, inserted 101 Sunny. Now come to here, you have to refresh it. Definitely data is coming. Sunny information, student roll number 101, date of birth, these things is displaying the details. Now the requirement is, I want to insert multiple records. For that, Packer module is required. I will tell that last Packer module code. So this is the way of view and URLs. Finally, how to insert fake data. So how to insert data? Create one Python file. Name any name you can give. Test.py or abc.py, any Python file where you can create under main project folder. Only. Don't create inside folder because execution is very easy if you created main folder. Anywhere you can create your wish, no problem. But main project folder is easy to execute. Right click, file, name should be anything. Adi ABC na, test.py na, regular file. Meaningful name I am given populated.py. So ఇదిగోండి under main project manage.py populate. You know how to execute Python file py populate.py. But this is the Python file. Django don't know about all these things. General we have to give settings. That is the one approach. All programmatically also we can add that file. How to add means the settings, some code will be there. That is, you no need to do anything. In your WSGA file, settings are there, copy paste. Model project, WSGA. ఇదిగోండి. Import OS dot environment variable. Just ఇదిగోండి. ఇక్కడ code you need to copy because populate.py is our Python file. OS is the module. Okay. How to add the file means go to WSGA file. OS environment. మీకు సిస్టంలో జనరల్గా there are environment variables are there. If you install any software, Java కానీ .NET, Python, it is asking path variable. Environment variables na same. By programmatically I am setting the variable. Okay na? Copy this, paste it. It is indicating model project 3 within the settings variable created. Next one more module is there. Import Django. Django dot the function is set up. It will be take care about the current file. Now, just now you created one function, phone number generation. That's why I'm telling this code, copy paste. Come to your populate. Because of there are phone number is there. You can from random import star. Okay, phone number generation function, return the value. Now, faker module required kada. From faker import. What is the class name? Faker is going to be faker is the class. First faker is the module name. Now, create object. A reference variable equal to class name with parenthesis. Reference ready. Yesterday program. Yesterday notes. ఇదిగోండి. Faker module. Okay. Imported now the name or data. They count that you can generate manually. Now, take one more function. Def populate. I can pass n value. Now, Faker module is ready. First roll number, fake roll number. F roll number means fake roll number. One variable I can provided. How to generate? Faker is the reference variable. Random underscore integer. Minimum 1, maximum 999. So one number will be generated. Yesterday I'm given a random integer. Same. One roll number generated 1 to 999. Any number generated, I stored into one variable. What is the variable? Fake roll number. Next, fake name. Module name dot. What is the function? Name. Tarvata fake date of birth. Module name dot. What is the function? On yesterday functions you can use name function, date, mail ID key, email. Okay, those functions we are using. Fake date of birth. After that, fake marks, student marks. Faker module dot. What is the function? Random underscore integer. Minimum marks 1 marks. Highest maximum 100 marks. 1 to 100 number will be generated. Fake phone number. What is the function you can call? Phone number generation. What it is? Function. Whenever I'm calling function, is it calling function or no? Is it return value? That value will be written into here. After that, fake address. Faker module dot. What is the function? City. Address రాలేదా? City means it will given only city only. Address means line number. That's it will be provided. Okay, I forgot it. Address. City means only city will be displayed. Okay. Now, sir, 6 values are ready. Roll number, name, date of birth, marks, phone number, address. Values are available there. But how to injected this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 ఉన్నాయి కదా. ఏదో పోయింది అక్కడ. ఈమెయిల్ ఇవ్వలేదా? Fake email. Faker dot. What is the function? సరిపోయింది ఇప్పుడు. Yeah. How to insert these values into the table? What is your model class name? Student. Is it available where? From test app dot models import. What is the class name? Student is the class name. Okay. Student dot. What is the property? Objects dot. There is one. What is the method? అలాంటే అర్థం ఏంటి? ఐఎమ్ రీడింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ ద డేటాబేస్. యామ్ ఏ రీడింగ్ ఇన్సర్టింగ్? Inserting, not reading. View lo you can use all. Now I am inserting. One method is there, get or create. Two ways it is working. Get or create means if already records are there, get the records. If records are not there, we have to create the records. If you are not passing any value, read the values from the table. If I'm morning in the matplotlib class, I'm telling one function in my passing value, getter method. Not passing value, same here also. What is the original column number? Roll number. What is your column number? Fake roll number. ఇదిగోండి దిస్ రోల్ నెంబర్ ఏమో ఎవరి డేటాబేస్లో ఒరిజినల్ కాలమ్స్. దీనికి ఐఎమ్ అసైనింగ్ విచ్ నెంబర్? ఫేక్ రోల్ నెంబర్. వాట్ ఇస్ ద ఫేక్ రోల్ నెంబర్? ఇక్కడ జనరేట్ అవుద్ది కదా, దట్ నెంబర్. సో ఒరిజినల్ కాలమ్ your value. Next, what is the column? Name, you comma. Name. What is the value? Fake name. Next, date of birth equal to fake date of birth. Next, marks. Fake marks. Original column, your value. Email. Fake email. Okay. Phone number. Fake phone number. Address. Fake. Now done. ఇదిగోండి మార్క్స్లో సరిపోయిందా? డబల్ ఏం పడిందా? నౌ రోల్ నెంబర్, fake name, fake date of birth, fake marks, fake email ID. It should be inserted there. Now done. Populate function accepted one argument means how many records you want to insert. Input function, input, enter, number of records stored into variable. But it is the string convert into digit. What is the function? What can I pass? N. So it is passing to n, and this total loop is running those many number of times for I in range of n. Inside for loop you can write all these statements, because what is n value, those many times executed and inserted to the table. Yeah. If available, not available, print f with string, f strings, curling brace, n is the replacement, n number of records inserted successfully. So ఇది one populate.py file. Run this file. Error. ఫోన్ నెంబరు అక్కడ ఎర్ర ఉందంట. ఎక్కడ? ఫేక్ ఫోన్ నెంబర్. ఏంది? దిస్ ఈ ఒక ఫంక్షన్. వాట్ ఇస్ దిస్ ఫంక్షన్? ఇది కదా. ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ అవైలబుల్ ఫేకర్ మై ఫంక్షన్. నా ఓన్ ఫంక్షన్ ని ఐఎమ్ కాలింగ్ ఫంక్షన్ ఆర్ నో? ఎస్, ఐఎమ్ కాలింగ్ ద ఫంక్షన్. ద రిటర్న్ వాల్యూ విల్ బి యాడెడ్ టు హియర్ ఓన్లీ. కరెస్టే అంతా. గో టు డి డ్రైవ్, సిడి, డిజాంగో, నవంబర్, సిడి, మోడల్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ 3. హౌ టు రన్ పివై, వాట్ is the ఫైల్ నేమ్? అందుకనే ఐమ్ క్రియేట్ దట్. ఇదిగోండి పాప్. ఇఫ్ ఎనీ ఎర్రర్స్ అది ఎంటర్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ రికార్డ్స్. ఫస్ట్ టైం ఇన్సర్టింగ్ వన్. ఇన్సర్టెడ్ నాట్ ఇన్సర్టెడ్? వేర్ ఇస్ ద ప్రూఫ్? ఫస్ట్ గో టు డేటాబేస్, ప్రీవియస్ వన్ రికార్డ్ ఇస్ దేర్ నౌ. ఇదిగోండి ఇక్కడ నాట్ మీనింగ్ఫుల్. ఇక్కడ డిస్ప్లే చేస్తుంది కదా రీఫ్రెష్. అదిగోండి సెకండ్ ఇక్కడ వచ్చిందా లేదా? యా. ఐ వాంట్ 500 రికార్డ్స్. ఓన్లీ వన్ స్టెప్. వాట్ ఇట్ ఈస్? ఇక్కడ ఎంటర్ 500. యూ వోంట్ డూ ఎనీథింగ్. ఇదిగోండి సింగిల్ స్టెప్. ఇట్ ఇన్సర్టెడ్ ఆల్ రికార్డ్స్. కమ్ టు బ్యాక్ ఎండ్, ఇన్సర్టెడ్. కమ్ టు ఫ్రంట్ ఎండ్, రీఫ్రెష్. యా, టోటల్ రికార్డ్స్. వచ్చిందా లేదా? సో దట్ ఈస్ ద వే ఆఫ్ ఇన్సర్టింగ్ ద డమ్మీ డీటెయిల్స్. మనకు లైన్ రాలేదంటే ఒక్కొక్క దానికి. Hmm? సర్లే వద్దులే, ఏదో ఒకటిలే. సో ఒక బ్రేక్ వచ్చింది కదా, చాలా లైన్. ఇంకోండి ఇట్లా. ఐ వాంట్ టు డిస్ప్లే ద రికార్డ్స్ ఆఫ్ పాపులేట్.py. HTML ఫైల్ ఎక్కడ ఇచ్చాను నేను? ఆ, వద్దులే, అదే బాగుంది. డన్. దీస్ ఆర్ ద మెయిన్, దట్ ఈస్ ద అడ్వాంటేజ్ ఆఫ్ ఫేకర్ మాడ్యూల్. అది ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు యాడ్ మాన్యువల్లీ, ఇట్ విల్ టేక్ సో మచ్ టైమ్. ఇక్కడ హౌ మెనీ 1000 రికార్డ్స్, సింగిల్ లైన్ ఇట్ విల్ బి ఎగ్జిక్యూటెడ్. సో పాపులేట్, అది స్టోరీ ఆఫ్ ఇన్సర్టింగ్ డేటా. Yeah, packer.phone number is also available, but it is not generating integer numbers. Next example I will tell. That's why I created my own function, phone number generation function I am using. The packer module also it is there. Dhanush. Because of that populate.py created manually, we are conveyed to the Django in the settings model project 3. That's why I'm using OS is the module environment variable creating programmatically. ఆల్రెడీ ఫోన్ నెంబర్ జనరేషన్ మీరు రాసుకున్నారు కదా. Get or create means if I'm not providing any value here inside function, then it is working as a get the records. If I passing values, it is creating the records. Two ways it is working. In Python, if you're attending my classes, in object oriented, I'm telling two methods, getter method, setter method. Ajay, what is the meaning of getter method, setter method in Python? Getter method is to get the values. Setter method is to set the values. This getter create method is working in two ways. Inside function, if I'm passing values, it working as a setter method to set the values to the model. If I'm not passing any values, it is working as a getter method. It is reading data from the model. That is the meaning of get or create method. సినిమా టైం అవుతుందా? రెండుకి సినిమా 9:30గా. ఇవాళ టుడే చికెన్ మళ్ళీ అదొకటి అదో బాధ. ఇవాళ రెండు బాధలు ఉన్నాయి. ఒకటి చికెన్ బాధ, ఒకటి ఆ బాధ. గట్టిగా రెండు ముక్కలు పెడతారా, మూడు పెడతారా? మూడేస్తారా? సమ్ టైమ్స్ ఫోరా? గుడ్డు 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 ఎప్పుడు? ఆహా, ట్యూస్డే గుడ్డు. రేపా? 2 days. బా, 2 days గుడ్డు, 2 days చికెన్. బాగుంది మీ ఇవన్నీ. మంచిగా చక్కగా. సార్ ఇన్ ద వ్యూస్ ఐఎమ్ రిటర్న్ కమాండ్ కదా. అయిపోయింది, ఆగండి బాబు. ఏంటి వచ్చి ఇచ్చాను. వెళ్ళిపోండి. టుమారో ఐ విల్ టెల్. మళ్ళీ చికెన్ అయితే అంత నేనే గుర్తొస్తా నైట్ అంతా. ఇక్కడ క్లాస్ వదలలేదు, ఇక్కడ చికెన్ అయిపోయింది అనుకుంటా. సరే, బాయ్ ఎవ్రీవన్, టుమారో వీ విల్ కంటిన్యూ.